Hello everyone. Today I'll tell you how to quickly deploy your GhostShell project from local code. I've prepared some test code, which includes several test projects using different frameworks and programming languages. We'll be deploying a simple Hello World website. Here's the code, a typical one-page site. I'll also demonstrate how to work with code versions. We have 2 archives for this. So, let's get started. Create a new project from the local code template. Let's name it Site. Next, we need to select the archive containing our project. Here it is. The system analyzes and automatically recognizes all projects in the archive if there are multiple. The next step allows us to choose what we want to deploy, which project. We select our website with 2 services for demonstration. Click Next to see general project information and click Deploy. The project is created and we can monitor the deployment process by monitoring the logs. Here we see the domain being created and the code being cloned. A little more, and the code is cloned and the containers are running. A few seconds of waiting and we have a fully functional website online, accessible via a real, albeit temporary, domain. So we can also see logs for each service separately in the adjacent tab. Let's say we need to update the code version. Go to the Settings and select the Code Version tab. Here, we also upload the code archive. We have a second, modified archive for this. The system also recognizes everything inside the archive. We select the desired project and click Deploy. We see that we have a new code version. Let's look at the deployment process. Here we see the automatic deployment of the new code begin. After a few seconds, we receive the updated code in production. We follow the link, refresh the page, and see the new code. Hooray! Everything worked. We can now roll back to any version of our project. To do this, simply select the desired version in the settings and click Rollback. Here's our previous version. Click Rollback and confirm. Let's look at what's happening in deployments. What we see, here we're seeing the same process we observed earlier. The code is loaded and the containers are restarted. A little bit of waiting, and here we have it. Our previous version is already in production. This is all great and works perfectly. But what if we want our project to be accessible not through the domain provided by GhostShell, but through our own domain? I have a pre-prepared test domain. It can be purchased anywhere. To add a custom domain, we need to go to the Domain tab in Settings and enter our purchased domain. The system then automatically tells us which DNS records need to be added. I already have them added. Confirm that the records have been created and click Confirm. There's a 10-minute wait for the DNS record to be confirmed. I'll pause it for now to keep our demo short. Less than 10 minutes have passed. The DNS records are confirmed, and we can already access our custom domain. Open the tab, refresh, and the project is available. As you can see, everything works quickly and without any complications. Our project is already open under the purchased domain name. Now we're waiting for the final step, receiving an SSL certificate, after which the project will be fully operational. Well, that's it. The certificate has been received. GhostShell is a solution for both beginners and professionals.